Navi chicken work ka hai. We are giving you at a rock bottom price. We're going to give you only for 200 rabbit, 80 rupees. It looks beautiful. I give you guarantee this. You get LED color. The selective ones. If you close up, beyond 40 to 50% less milega. Hairband. You see, friends are total in full in hand pearls and all. 10 to 12 different shapes. 60 rupees, 70 rupees. Different different variety in the fruits also. This is also new. आपको कम से कम भी मिलने वाला है इधर.
Hi sir.
Hello ma'am, how are you?
Good sir, good. आप कैसे हो?
मैं excellent ma'am. Thank you so much. Hello, my name is Kamal and you have reached Mumtaz Collection. और आज मैं आपको बताने वाला हूँ amazing variety of hair accessories at rock bottom price. हम आपको बताने वाले हैं. I'll show you a lot of varieties and you will be amazed looking at this kind of variety because this time we have come up with excellent piece of collection. So let's start the video without wasting time. Okay.
Yes.
So if you see here, we have amazing variety of hair accessories. Now these are clutchers. Like this is a Honey brand, it's one of the best brands in the world. Excellent quality, very durable, with lot of prints, around 10-20 prints तो आपको at any given time मिलेगा. Same we have this bigger one. Alright, excellent quality, unbreakable रहेगा ये और बहुत very durable and we sell like hot cake here. Now if we come up with more variety, we have this kind of unbreakable, transparent article, excellent article, beautiful variety, and we have these kind of prints you will not get in any brands. Alright, these are beautiful prints. You will see floral print, you will see different kind of prints. Now if we come across with, this is called banana clip. Alright, this is banana clip, very nice quality and very strong and durable also. Okay. If you come small, these small kind of clutches are always in demand, If you see these kind of variety, see, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत अच्छी quality, excellent quality, and these are all pastel colors, around 8 to 10 colors जिसमें मिलने वाले हैं आपको, with different kind of shapes. Okay. These are worn by young girls, ladies, and everybody. These are small clutches again with print. Barbie के prints है, बहुत beautiful variety है. These are regular clutches but very nice quality. Now if I talk about the price, these will cost you 40 rupees, some are 50 rupees, something like that. These are regular but not the ordinary quality. This is best quality, excellent quality. Market में आपको 60 rupees, 80 rupees, 90 rupees तक मिलते हैं. Now if you see these kind of series, these are unbreakable. This company is called Ace company. It's one of the best company in the world. Very durable quality, ma'am. Again, these banana clips with black color and all. Alright. Now if we switch to these are milky colors. Beautiful variety. ये बहुत चलेगा. These are not ordinary clutches. If you visit any big shop, 70 rupees, 80 rupees, 90 rupees, I have seen it. But we are selling it only for 50 rupees. 50, only 50, because this is excellent quality. ये 10-20 वाला article नहीं है, ये बहुत अच्छी quality वाला है. Now see, these are banana clip, exclusive banana clip. Market will not get less than 250. We sell only for 100 rupees. Now these kind of variety we are selling you at wholesale price. We have thousands of very satisfied customers across Hyderabad and Secunderabad. In fact, from last video we are getting calls from US also. We are getting calls from Vijayawada, Vizag, Mumbai, Delhi. Reason is prices are
reasonable.
very reasonable, below reasonable, because we have been serving our customers at we are giving them wholesale price, ma'am. All right, and yes, there's a good news for people who stays out of Hyderabad or Secunderabad. You can order online. All right, the condition is like minimum 2,500 worth you have to buy, and 200 will be shipping charge. Okay. If you're buying 5,000 ka, 10,000 ka bhi, 200 is shipping रहेगा. Rest we will pay, ma'am. Okay. All right. Okay. So this facility we have started from this month onwards, so you can take an advantage of it. And believe me, I'm telling you, the difference of amount will be minimum 30%, 40%, 50% less than market. Guarantee. Guarantee, I'm telling you. I'm going to show you amazing variety. आपने ऐसी वीडियो पहले कभी नहीं देखी होगी, because at this retail thing, you are not going to get so much of variety. So let's start.
Yes.
See this. Now these are exclusive clutches. If you see the color combination and all, ये बड़े शॉप में 250, 300 पता नहीं, ऑनलाइन में 350 में मिलता है. Here you will get it for 120 only. एंड गारंटेड प्राइस जो प्रोडक्ट मैं दे रहा हूँ उसकी मैं प्राइस गारंटी दे रहा हूँ आपको. नाउ if I'll show you these kind of, see the quality of this company is like, you know, Honey Creations. This is one of the best companies, excellent quality, great prints. अगर आप पहनोगे ना, it will look great. People will ask you from where you have purchased. These you will get in big shops for 350, 450. Online also. Here you are going to get only for 90 rupees. Only for 90 rupees. If we see this big clutches, beautiful variety with shimmer and all. You'll get beautiful prints at throwaway price. Now this is ये मीनाकारी work है, देखो मैम. And this will not go. This print stays for very long time. And because the company name is Honey. Honey is one of the best company in the world. And beautiful variety and durable variety. This will cost you only 90 rupees. बड़े shops में 200 रुपए. Minimum 200 you're getting it only for 90 rupees. Now I'll switch to hairbands right now. Okay. So let me show you some hairbands. Now here you see variety of hairbands we have. It keeps on changing. And we keep on adding the variety. I'm going to show you some variety right now. If you know, focus ma'am, see this. These are kind of pearl variety, beautiful variety, looks excellent. See this. This is hairband with crown. It looks beautiful, excellent pieces. Now see, this is AD stones. If you know, close up thoda agar karenge to, these are original AD stones. If you see the shining ma'am,
Yes, sir.
on from any angle it will look great, it will look excellent. I'll show you some more variety. See, this is beautiful. Right now this is normal hairband with crown, that is pearl and stone at very reasonable price, very reasonable price. आप price सुनोगे तो हैरान हो जाओगे. Now this will cost you 250 rupees. I give you guarantee this will not cost you less than 550 rupees because this is crown with hairband. It looks excellent, great with grip. So if I show you AD stones का, ये देखिए आप AD stones का excellent piece. This will cost you only 150 rupees. Market में 350 से कम नहीं मिलने वाला है because the kind of stones is just a very great stone. See these kind of variety with stones. See here man, this will cost you only 100 rupees ma'am. इसमें you know, you get LED color also.
है और हाँ.
Yeah, this is golden color, this is antique color.
Okay.
Alright, but again the base is gold. Now I'm going to show you some more variety in hairbands. There are so many hairbands, but I'm going to show you the selective ones. If you know, close up, beautiful variety, excellent quality, you know, beautiful pieces. See this. ऑनलाइन ये बहुत महंगे मिलते हैं मैम, 450, 550, 650 पर्ल का एंड ऑल. दिस AD stones with great work done, excellent stones, beautiful. Now this is, you know, kind of a crown. All right, see hairband with crown. See the beauty of it, excellent piece of मार्केट से मिनिमम 40 to 50% लेस मिलेगा. आई गिव यू गारंटी, मिनिमम 40 to 50% लेस देन मार्केट. आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू ब्यूटीफुल हेयर बैंड्स. दीज आर सुपर रनिंग. हम लोग ने मार्केट को तो समझ रहे ना, वी हैव बीन सर्विंग आवर कस्टमर्स एट थ्रो अवे प्राइस मैम. अभी भी ऑनलाइन जाओ 450, 550, 650 से कम नहीं मिलने वाला है. वी आर गिविंग टू आवर कस्टमर्स फॉर 290 rupees only. This price you are not going to get anywhere in the world. I am going to give you guarantee for the price ma'am. See how beautiful it is. Beautiful variety. Now this kind of abhi season bhi hai, so this kind of you know, hair band, you see this. Alright, ये आपको 850, 950 minimum मिलेगा. We are giving you only for 450 rupees and we sell like peanuts. Honestly, I'm saying we sell like peanuts because the kind of price is there, everybody can afford. And we have thousands of very satisfied customers. I'm going to show you some more hair bands, few more hair bands, because last time video ने बोला, customer ने बोला था close up में दिखाओ, तो see this. These kind of hair bands जो मैं बता रहा हूँ आपको, these are 80 rupees, 90 rupees, you know, something like that. Not more than 100 rupees. ये 80, 90 के अंदर ही है, ये वाले. See how beautiful it is. This is rabbit, 80 rupees, 90 rupees, something like that. That's it. Not more than this. ये white. Now if you see this will cost you not less than 250, only 100 rupees ma'am. At our place only 100 rupees. So I'll show you some more variety in these kind of accessories. Now this is an accessory kit for the baby. Rubbers है इसमें, clips है, you know, tic tac and everything is there. Right? This is actual price is 550 rupees. This is MRP. We are going to give you only for 290 rupees. Guaranteed for the price. This price you're not going to get anywhere in the world. Now we have small sets also. This will cost you 100 rupees. Right? 180 का 100. ये 60 rupees, 60 rupees, 60 rupees. This is again beautiful crystal this thing, and with ring and all this thing. Beautiful variety, excellent piece of variety you're going
और
to
गिफ्ट
get.
देने के लिए भी बहुत अच्छा रहता है सर।
एब्सोल्युटली मैम, रिटर्न गिफ्ट के लिए अच्छा रहता है, बच्चे लोगों के लिए, बिकॉज इसमें जो अंदर जो रहता है ना सब, इट्स वैल्यू फॉर मनी. सो इवन इफ यू परचेज फॉर योर ओन daughter or kid, you can buy it and you can use the chain जो भी है उसमें. I'll show you some more variety later. Now just ये knot hair bands are in now. Knot hair bands बहुत चल रहे मैम. Knot hair bands will cost you, it starts from 70 rupees. This is 100 rupees, 150, 200, 250. Market से 40 to 50% less guarantee बोल रहा हूँ मैं. See, knot hair bands are total in full in hand. Knot hair bands. Now we have this kind of variety, 80 rupees, 90 rupees. That's it. Now this is original Mickey का है. ये देखिए, ये this will cost you 90 rupees. All right. See this will cost you 80 rupees only. So beautiful variety we have, hair accessories. All right. Now I'll switch to clutches and all. I'm going to show you stones ka clutches and all. So let's start with from here, ma'am. See this kind of, if you आप close up करेंगे तो देखिए AD stones का है. कंपनी नेम इज Zaya. This is one of the best company. Beautiful variety, excellent quality, plus 50% less than market. 250 MRP. We are selling only for 150 rupees. Online if you go, ma'am, not less than 450 rupees. Not less than 450 rupees. We sell like peanuts, I'm saying. It is affordable for everybody. Beautiful designs, beautiful variety. In this we have small also. It will cost you 70 rupees, 60 rupees, 90 rupees. में अलग अलग sizes के अलग अलग variety है. Price की guarantee है, excellent quality. We have smaller clutches with AD stones. If you can close up the camera, excellent piece. We have still bigger ones. Again, Zaya company, this is one of the best companies. Will cost you 190 rupees. ये market में आपको minimum 550 में मिलेगा, because this has AD stones also, and this is a big clutcher. All right, now we have brooch, sari pins. If you see, if आप close up करेंगे तो ये देखिए, ये AD stones के हैं मैम. Sari pins we have starting from 100 rupees, 150 rupees, 190, 250 maximum. 100 में भी आपको बहुत variety मिलेगी. See this. These will cost you only 100 rupees, man. This will cost you only 100 rupees. Now I want to show you more variety rather than showing you rates. मैं आपको approximately idea दे रहा हूँ कि भाई कितने क्या से क्या range रहेगा, and you don't have to worry about the price at all. We give you guarantee for the price. If you're visiting the shop, you will find rates on each and every product. So we are very transparent. We'll not jeopardize our reputation for just 20, 30, 40, 50 rupees. Even if you buy online, we give you guarantee for the price. You can cross check anytime. We have thousands of very satisfied customers because of this. We are giving less and we write the same thing what we say. All right, now if we see these kind of clutches, these are super in clutches, ma'am. Now ये 100 rupees का है, 70 rupees only. इसमें आपको कम से कम 10, 15, 20 डिजाइन्स मिलने वाला है. मार्केट में आपको 150 to 200 rupees में मिलेगा ये, because we sell in quantity, ma'am. That's the reason our motto is to sell for rock bottom price. Sell at rock bottom price. Okay. Now if these are AD stones के with the dark color stones, see the price, 250 rupees MRP, 150 we are selling. Such a beautiful collection. ये आपको price कहीं पे भी नहीं मिलने वाला है. Believe you me, we have some customers who sell at home and all. They come and buy at this price and they sell for more. Okay. Reason is because they know
कि लेके जाके profit का sell करेंगे.
Absolutely, ma'am. Because we have only one branch at this time, so we don't sell here and there. We sell at this place only. So now see, if you these kind of pearls का देखो, Zaya का beautiful pearls है ma'am. 200 rupees only. नहीं तो pearl का आपको इतना engraved work with stones and all 550, 650 से कम नहीं मिलेगा even online. And here you get amazing quality, amazing variety at throwaway price. I have lot of center clips. If you see AD stones, I'll show you some. In this you can close up the camera so at least they can view the product. ये देखिए, see this, see the shining of it, see the beauty of it. Now we have big clutches in the same. Man, these are original clutches which you will get half rate than market, half price than market. We have exclusive products because we have variety of customers. Everybody can afford these prices. See, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful variety. अभी ये जो Zaya का है, this आपका 250 से कम नहीं मिलेगा. We are selling for 120 rupees. I'm just showing you an example. We have 250, 350 also, but market से half price. Market से half price. That is guarantee. Now we have these kind of crunchies, alright, with pearls and all. Alright, you get this kind of variety. And if you focus the camera here, ma'am, ये और exclusive variety है, but again reasonable price, 200, 250, 300, 350, something like that. But ये market में आपको 500, 6,000 तक मिलेगा, and we are selling you, we are selling at a wholesale price. If I show you this, see the work, see the beauty of it, see the quality, see the finishing, or latest variety at throwaway price. Latest variety at throwaway price. We have crystals ka, clutches. You see, these are crystal one. If I show you closely, see, beautiful variety of crystal clutch, 290 only, ma'am. Ye I have seen in the shop 650 rupees. Online 650, 750 में 290 में आपको मिलने वाला है. We are giving you at a rock bottom price. Alright, if I show you these kind of rubber bands, these are exclusive rubber bands with crystals, with stones, with AD stones का work है. If you see closely, these are one of the beautiful collection I'm showing you, ma'am. Alright, these are with matte finishing. These are again with crystals and AD stones, original AD stones, छोटे में, बड़े में. You get 1,000 plus variety in hair accessories. 1,000 plus variety in hair accessories. If I see side clip with lock, see this how much? 150 ka 90 rupees only with stones. 150 ka only 90 rupees with stones. We have bit of cosmetics also, but mostly 99% we have hair accessories, ma'am. All right. If you see, we have bags also. ये bags, ma'am, market में आपको 950 से कम नहीं मिलेगा. We are associate with certain suppliers who directly import. Okay, so we give you at a wholesale price. ये 950 का है, आपको आएगा only 500 rupees, ma'am. Only 500. I give you guarantee for the price for entire world. कहीं नहीं मिलने वाला आपको ये price. We give direct benefit to customer, and we have many customers who are associated with us. Alright. So I'll show you some more variety from here, ma'am. Now we have this hair accessories का set से ये पूरे. If you see the variety, around 10 to 12 different shapes, different variety of gift sets or accessory set we have. This kind of jewelry box we have. This is one of the amazing piece. See, 450 is the normal price. We sell for 380. Market में minimum 650, 750 में मिलने वाला है आपको. This I've already shown you. This is kind of again a jewelry box. Will cost you only 350 rupees. It has lot of content with jewelry box. ये भी आपको 750, 850 से कम नहीं मिलने वाला है. See this bag. Now this is like if I show you. Now this is backpack में chain है, beautiful chain. If I show you the chain, you will be amazed the kind of quality it has. ऐसा नहीं कि भाई कुछ भी दे दिया, कैसे भी दे दिया, नहीं. See, beautiful variety of set is this with backpack. This will cost you only 390. आपको मार्केट में 750 से कम नहीं मिलेगा. There are so many variety, 290, 350, 390, 350. That's it. Market से minimum 50% less than market. Now, if I show you these kind of clips, all right, these kind of clips, we have different variety. Normally, if you go visit market, 80 rupees, 90 rupees आपको एक मिलने वाला है. ये वाला. We are going to provide you 250 rupees का entire sheet. So if we calculate, it is costing around 25 rupees, which is damn wholesale price. It's a wholesale price we are giving it to customer. जो customer visit करते they buy entire sheet. Buy to buy. अगर मैं if I sell for 50 rupees also, I'm giving sheet for 250 rupees. Customer will yes, we want to give benefit directly or indirectly to our customers. Okay, if customers is satisfied, we are all set, ma'am. We are all set. Now this is ये normal range है. Now we have different variety also, which is costing 50 rupees, 60 rupees, 70 rupees. Different different variety in this. Amazing variety. Now if you close up, you see this kind of a Barbie with frill frock with pearl on it. These are latest ones. See this one. This will cost you 70 each. I'm just specifying it because this has a lot of work, work involved in it. Now see this is a premium quality clips. Premium quality clips. These are 50 each. These are 70 each. And now see these are 40 rupees bunch of rubber bands. We have rabbit also, 40 rupees each. we have these kind of we have different variety, मतलब 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 वैसा मिलने वाला है. Now these kind of hair bands I've already shown you. See this, we have 290, market में 550 का 290 only. The one which I showed you, this one, right? This is with cap and that is without cap. That is 290 will cost you. This cap will cost you 450.
Okay.
Now if I show you these kind of beautiful rubber bands, these are crunchies. I'll say crunchies. ये देखो, ये लखनवी work है मैम. You're not going to find this kind of variety anywhere. Anywhere.
फर्स्ट टाइम देख रहे हैं सर, मैं भी फर्स्ट टाइम.
Beautiful with लखनवी chicken work का है. You know, we have lot of shimmer and all. See these kind of बच्चों के भी, बच्चों के, बड़ों के, girls के, these kind of varieties. 50 rupees, 60 rupees, 70 rupees, 90 rupees different. Now we have with faces also. See, beautiful variety with faces. Now we have with fruits also. This is also new. Around 10, 12, you know, different shapes है इसमें मैम. Excellent variety. Now if I show you these kind of hair bands for small kids, we have these kind of with different patterns, different faces. These also with bow and all. These are for small kids, you know, with stretchable, excellent quality. इसमें भी समझो 30 rupees, 70 rupees, 90 rupees, 70 rupees, यही प्राइस है. ये आप ऑनलाइन जाओ, आपको 200, 250, 300 में मिलने वाला हेयर बैंड्स आपको कम से कम भी मिलने वाला है इधर. And if I talk about rubber bands, you see, or crunchies, see how much variety we have. So I highly recommend people visit this shop once. If you haven't visited our shop, you have missed a lot, I'll say. Reason is, this is a shop you should at least visit once. You come here, you visit here. This is an amazing mall. You can come to food court, have food, enjoy, watch movie, visit here, shop here. At least come and see. If you don't see it, you will miss a lot. Why to pay more when you're getting it for half price, ma'am? Alright, so I have shown you all these things. बच्चों के भी ऐसे pom-pom rubber bands हैं मैम. This beautiful variety rubber bands we have. Alright, and we have center clips, normal center clips, like 40 rupees, 60 rupees, all throwaway price. All throwaway price. Now we have chains for babies also. If you can, you know, come closer a bit, see these kind of chains you're going to get it. Beautiful chains, ma'am. We have multicolor in this. We have pastel colors का पूरा बच्चों का, teenagers का, बड़े लोग भी ये पहनते हैं. And market में 450, 550 का आपको 200 में मिलने वाला है मैम. ये क्वालिटी देखिए with bracelet. Now we have this kind of
bracelet.
With bracelet. Okay. See this kind of variety, you're going to get it only for 200. This one. Now we have ये वो पूरे देखिए, ये this with light. These are all with light. See light, it's glowing if it's seen in the camera. Now see this with Barbie. These are going to cost you only 150 rupees, ma'am.
Okay.
Nowhere in the world you are going to get this price. Minimum 350, 450. आप कोई भी accessory shop, jewelry shop में जाओगे आपको 350 से कम नहीं मिलेगा. But we have sold thousands of pieces. But इसका थोड़ा shortage रहता है. When it comes, it moves fast. Again, we have to wait for it. So right now we have amazing variety. See, festival is up, so we have prepared ourselves. So we can provide excellent variety, great variety, maximum variety to our customers, so they can enjoy the festival with all these kind of stuff, ma'am. All right, now we have nail paints also. Nail paints also. Say for example, see this thing. If you close up the camera, excellent quality of nail paints, ma'am. These are 150 rupees MRP written on it, but you're getting it only for 100 rupees. Whatever you buy from me, it will be less than MRP. लेस देन मार्केट 30%, 40%, 50%. जितना बेनिफिट होता है हम कस्टमर को देने की कोशिश करते हैं विद एन इंटेंशन इन माइंड कि इफ कस्टमर विजिट एनी अदर शॉप वेयर कस्टमर बाय चेक द सेम स्टफ, he should feel very satisfied that yes, I bought it from Mamta's collection. आंख बंद करके भरोसा करके आते हैं मेरे पास कस्टमर. एंड I cannot, again I'll say, I'll not jeopardize our reputation. We don't compromise with as far as customer satisfaction is concerned, as far as the prices are concerned. Quality तो excellent है ही है. You can feel it. आप देखोगे तो पता चलेगा कि बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया क्वालिटी है. Nail paints में 100 में वैरायटी है, 100 में और एक वैरायटी है, 70 में, 70, 50. So we have 50, 70, 70, 100, 100. मैम आपको मॉल में 50 रुपए में नेल पेंट कहीं नहीं मिलेगा,
नहीं मिलेगा, yes,
70 रुपए में नेल पेंट नहीं, मिनिमम मैंने पीपल हैव यू नो लर्न फ्रॉम अस कि भाई अरे 100 रुपीज में बेच रहे तो दे हैव स्टार्टेड यू नो काइंड ऑफ, बट नो वैरायटी हियर यू गेट अमेजिंग वैरायटी, एक्सीलेंट क्वालिटी और फ्रेश स्टॉक आता है ऑलवेज। सो ऐसा नहीं मिलेगा आपको ड्राई मिलेगा, नहीं नहीं, यू विल गेट फ्रेश ऑल द टाइम, राइट। वी हैव अगेन बहुत वैरायटी है, मैं दिखाते दिखाते वीडियो बहुत लंबा हो जाएगा। सो इन केस इफ यू वांट मोर हेयर एक्सेसरीज यू कैन प्लीज विजिट आवर शॉप at least once. We are located at Sarat City Capital Mall, alright, which is located at Kondapur, कुत्तागोड़ा चौरस्ता के एकदम सामने बहुत बड़ा मॉल है। आप गूगल में भी आप अगर डालोगे सरत सिटी कैपिटल मॉल, it will show you the way. Come on, 4th floor. We have 3 shops actually. One is accessories, one is footwear, and one is kurtis. Alright, Mamta's Collection is the name of the shop. 4th floor पे आइए, and number is in the description. In case if you face any problem you know visiting here, please call us, we'll guide you and make sure you reach at this place. All right, and I would like to give you a good news again. I'm going to repeat, you know kabhi ho jata hai insaan wo skip kar deta hai, so don't skip the video, I request you, because if you skip it you're going to miss a lot. So the good news is we have started online, so in case customers out of Hyderabad, anywhere from India, you know, you can call us, we can fix a video call for you, all right, and we can send you online, okay. And the condition is 2500 का minimum stuff लेना पड़ेगा आपको, which is I believe very reasonable, all right, क्योंकि parcel में जाएगा तो it should be worth sending. And 200 rupees will be shipping charges if you're buying more than, समझो 5000 10,000 का buy कर रहे हो, if shipping charges are more we'll bear it, so don't worry about it. We have started a bit, all right. We have customer calling from US who has a relationship in Hyderabad, so we have sent them also. Okay. So you can take an advantage of it. Thank you so much.
Thank you sir, thank you so much.
ఫ్రెండ్స్, మీకు షాప్ ఉండి మీ బిజినెస్ని కనుక మా ఛానల్స్లో ప్రమోట్ చేయించుకోవాలనుకుంటే కనుక ఈ క్రింది ఉన్నటువంటి నెంబర్స్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో వాటికి మీరు వాట్సాప్ చేయొచ్చండి. సో డెఫినెట్గా మేమే వచ్చి మీకు షూట్ చేసి ప్రజెంట్ చేస్తాము.